Okay, we've let this set up overnight and dry. I've put 2 screws, 1 5/8 inch screws in here. This helps keep it from splitting, because I had some that split on me. So this just gives us a little more reinforcement by putting screws in here. So now what we have to do is we marked our right side and our left side, because what we have to do is we have to cut this off. So we take our right side on our right, because this piece is going to go on here when we're ready. So what we want to do is we want to cut this off along this line. You only need to mark one side, the other one's going to be close. So what we'll do is we'll cut this piece off. Then what I'm going to do is give this kind of a sanding down here to kind of smooth it out on the inside and the out. And then we'll be ready to move on to the next step. If you enjoy my videos, please like and subscribe on my YouTube page. I'd appreciate it. If you have any questions or comments, put them in the comment section and I'll get back with you. Thanks for watching.